63 degrees today in Seattle. I think a high of 75. I don't think it's going to be 75, but that's what it says in the weather forecast. This is an update on my Violet de Bordeaux, or VDB Fig. And I wanted to show you how amazing it is today. I discovered the largest Violet, or am I pronouncing it correct? Violet de Bordeaux fig in my container fig here. Container plant. This container is about, I would say, right under 5 gallons. I transferred it from a little pot. I'll show on the screen what it looked like before when I first got it. But we have dozens and dozens. Should be about, I counted about 95 to 100 figs on this container plant. Beautiful, beautiful. But today, look at these guys playing. That's Princess and Lolly. There's Princess. You see her there? Let me zoom in on her. Mini Australian Labradoodle. Hi, girl. Come here. Hi, girl. Princess and Lolly. So this morning when I was watering the plants, I noticed the most largest, hi Princess, fig. Incredibly huge. Look at this. Each branch has at least 5 to 7 in each. Look at this. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 in this cluster right here. So we have at least 100 figs, and this is my favorite so far. This has been here in a container for a few years now. I think at least 3 years. And I just noticed it has a beautiful, beautiful flavor. Most delicious fig I've ever tasted so far. I've only had a few different varieties, but this morning I noticed this amazing, amazing, huge, look at that one. Isn't that gigantic? The most gigantic VDB fig I've ever seen, I've ever had. Look how huge this is. Here's my palm. I would say this one here is, in comparison, is about a little over an inch. But this one is maybe 1 3/4 inches. Look how huge that is. Isn't that amazing? Look how huge that is in comparison to all the other figs. And guess what? It feels like it's almost at its peak. Isn't that wonderful? Just noticed it this morning. Look how huge that is. Giant, beautiful fig. And I don't see any other huge figs here, and it's not as warm as it once was, like a few weeks ago. I'm hoping the weather will kick up today. We had a little bit of rain. I do not have a greenhouse. Would love to have a greenhouse, but I would say over 95 figs on this container plant. You can grow it successfully in a container. I fertilize it, and I'll put on screen what different fertilizers I use. And the soil. Beautiful, beautiful plant. I love this. It has given me beautiful, delicious fruit. I think a couple years ago, we only had tasted like maybe three figs on this, and it was so delicious. Very delicious. So I'm so excited for this harvest. I'm hoping we can get warmer weather. If not, then I don't know. But gorgeous, gorgeous, huge, huge fruit. So Violet de Bordeaux fig. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good weekend. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to follow